Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to our videos. Now you are watching a journal presentation entitled Discussion of Education Model in Post-Pandemic Era and Research on Mobile Learning Application Design Strategy. This journal is published by Atlantis Press with Advantage in Engineering Research, Volume 204, proceeding of the 2021 10th International Conference on Applied Science, Engineering, and Technology. And this journal was written by Yu Xiaoyo, Li Binshui, Yu Fiyi, and Yi Lun. Before going any further, we would like to thank to Dr. Rida Mardiani MPD as a lecturer in the Introduction to Research course. My name is Ivy Render Ajija, and in this discussion of this journal, I will be assisted by several of my friends, including Fani Sukma Miftahudin, Leni Sopianti, and M. Fahrin Ranggayosa. So, from the journal entitled Discussion of Education Model in Post-Pandemic Era and Research of Mobile Learning Application Design Strategy, we will discuss several aspects, including the background of this journal, the purpose of this journal, and the method used in this journal, the result we found, and the discussion in this journal, and the conclusion. So for the first, this journal sorted out the evolution of education in China under the influence of the epidemic in 2020, analyzes the advantages and disadvantages of pure online education and offline education, and draws follow conclusion. With current technology, the poor online education model cannot meet the educational requirement due to the lack of real-time, two-way, face-to-face communication. It needs to be combined with the offline education models to form a hybrid education model, and the online education module is designed around the offline education module. On this basis, the paper proposed three types of online education application design strategies. The first is after-school assisted, classroom enhanced, and fully live broadcast. So for second, the purpose of this journal is to answer two things, namely how to develop online education in the post-pandemic era and what principles should be applied to educational applications, and explain the hybrid method in learning. So for the next material will be delivered by Fani Sukma Miftahudin.
Hi, my name is Fani Sukma Miftahudin, and I will explain about the method used in this journal. This journal uses a qualitative method of the type of ethnographic method. This method is used in the study of the evolution of education in China under the influence of epidemic in 2020, and in it the researcher investigates an advantage and disadvantage of pure online education and offline education. And for the research, this journal proposes three types of online education: design strategies, after class assistant, class upgrade, and full live broadcast. The first, after class assistant. Education applications do not have face-to-face, real-time two-way communication between teacher and student, such as voice call and live image. And the second, classroom assessment. The teacher and student in the same environment form a collective class. A student and teacher, one of them, and can use various teacher methods such as discussion, cooperation, debate, conferenciation. And the last, the fully live broadcast type is an online school with complete online teaching function. It is a software made in cyberspace which ensures the synchronous two-way communication between the teacher and student in cyberspace. It conducts lecture in cyberspace. It has complete classroom function for emergency use. For the next material will be delivered by Leni Sofianti.
Hello, my name is Leni Sopianti and I will explain
about discussion from this journal. In this journal, it is explained that in China, after a semester of online education practice, it was found that pure online education failed to achieve quality face-to-face education. After calming down and reflecting on the drawback of online teaching, the pure online education model is incompetent for education and can only be used as an additional teaching mode. After that, the online and offline hybrid teaching model became a new research direction. The online education model is not limited by space and time, as well as face-to-face. The educational model has great advantage as well as teacher-student interactions. Online or offline education models alone cannot achieve the best results and cannot meet current educational needs. Therefore, for a long time to come, the online and offline hybrid educational model will become the mainstream educational model. From conclusion will be delivered by Fahri Nuranggayusa.
Hello, my name is M. Fahri Nuranggayusa. Here I will present the conclusion of our analysis of the journal entitled Discussion of Education Model in Post-Pandemic Era and Research on Mobile Learning Application Design Strategy. The conclusion is the advantage of face-to-face education cannot be replaced for a long time in the future. In the hybrid education model, the application we design must be accurate. Use scenario should be clarified, problem and pain point in education should be identified. Don't obsess over technology and grab it education and it be conclude that the under current technological and economy environment. The blind pursuit of high-tech and good equipment does not match the needs of teacher and student. In the mixed education model, face-to-face education is the core, and the use of exciting technology and equipment to strengthen the effect of face-to-face education meets the objective requirement. And that is the mainstream in the future. Okay, that's all the explanation about a journal published by Atlantis Press with the entitled Discussion of Education Model. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.